In the heart of Arendelle, hidden within the towering walls of the castle, lies Elsa's magical craft room, a whimsical haven where creativity and icy enchantments blend seamlessly. On this particular winter's day, the room is alive with shimmering tendrils of icy magic twirling in the air, reflecting the glow of the fireplace that crackles warmly in the corner. Welcome, one and all. Elsa greets a small gathering of eager children and their families, each bundled in cozy winter coats and scarves. Today, we're going to create something truly special, our very own enchanted snow globes. Her voice is as smooth and comforting as the snowy landscapes that surround their world. With a gentle wave of her hand, Elsa fills the room with a soft flurry of sparkles and snowflakes, setting the perfect mood for the activity. She gestures to a large table filled with supplies, clear glass jars, whimsical miniature figures, an array of glitters, and pots of glue and glycerin. First, let's choose a theme for your snow globe. Elsa instructs as little hands reach eagerly for the tiny figurines. Would you like a snowy forest with tiny deer? Or perhaps an icy castle with dancing snowmen? The children giggle and chatter excitedly as they select their favorite scenes. Elsa moves gracefully among them, offering guidance and a sprinkle of her frosty magic here and there, her touch turning simple objects into a winter wonderland. Now, let's assemble our scenes and glue them to the lids of our jars, Elsa says, carefully pressing a tiny snowman onto a snowy hill on one child's project. Her magical touch sends wisps of frost trailing from her fingertips, leaving a sparkly layer of enchantment on every piece. Once the figurines are secure, Elsa introduces the elements of the glittery snow, a touch of frost and Yule magic. Add a spoonful of glitter and a few drops of glycerin into the jar with water, she instructs, demonstrating her own artistic flair by shaking a pinch of silver glitter into the water, where it swirls like a miniature ice storm. Each child mimics her movements, eyes wide with wonder as their snow globes begin to take shape. The room fills with gasps of delight and the sound of giggling as lids are secured and the globes are turned upside down, revealing the glistening snowfall surrounding their enchanted villages. Voila! The enchanted snow globes you've created are truly beautiful, Elsa praises, clapping her hands with joy. Remember, with a little bit of magic and a lot of imagination, you can create anything. The families thank Elsa warmly, clutching their newly crafted globes as they leave the delightful warmth of the craft room. As the last of the children waves goodbye, Elsa looks around the now quiet room. She smiles, satisfied that the magic of winter and creativity has inspired yet another generation to embrace the joys of their enchanting world.